Hi and welcome back to the Simple Web Start classroom, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to add a sitemap to your website. So if you're new here and you're not got hosting with me, then what you can do is you can go over to the demo site builder and then you'll be able to follow this video. So what I'll do, like I say, I'll leave you a link. If you scroll right down and click on demo site builder, then that will take you over to where the site builder is, and then you will be able to follow this video. If you are a person that's had web hosting with me and got a real website, then obviously log into your control panel and then follow the video from there. So first of all, what you'll have to do is add a page. So if you go to settings, and then as you can see, if we scroll down, I've added the sitemap under legal. Again, like I say, if you want to add it here, that's okay. It will obviously show up there. So to add a sitemap, first of all, you'll need to add a page. So if you add the page, if you put sitemap in there and then add it, and then when you've done that, so if I show you, I'll just go down to our sitemap, and this is what it will do. It will show you a sitemap. Now, the way to do it, if you add a content block, and then what you'll need to do is go to banners and scroll right the way down to apps, and then if you actually click on sitemap, that will then add this for you. So no matter how many pages you've got, what it will do, it'll add the pages here. And then again, like I say, what I would suggest you do is put an header up. I'll just quickly show you how to put an header on that page. Go to header, scroll down, add that. This will then add an header to the page, and obviously you want the header here and then your sitemap here. There is videos on the channel showing you how to do this, so I won't go over that. And then when you've done everything, sorry, I'll come out of that. So if I just bin that one. So when you've got a page like this, just publish it, and then you'll either see your sitemap in the top tab or you'll see your sitemap here. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.